Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install Cinema HD app on Firestick. First, you should head over to the Cinema HD website. Once you are on the website, simply click on Firestick, and from here you'll have a very detailed guide on how to download Cinema HD for your Firestick. First, you need to make sure that ADB debugging and unknown sources are enabled on your Firestick. All you need to do is go to your Firestick home screen. From there, click on Settings. Once you're on Settings, go to My Fire TV, then click on Developer Options, and make sure that ADB debugging and apps from unknown sources is on. Once you've turned them on, go back to your Firestick homepage. On the top left, you'll see the magnifying glass, click on it, and type in Downloader. Then you'll find an app called Downloader, like this. You'll want to install that and then open it. Once you've opened it, click on Settings and enable JavaScript. From there, you should get this pop-up asking for the URL. And then you should type in this URL here. Pause the video if you'd like to write it in. From there, all you need to do is just let the APK download. And once it has, just click on Next and install it. And that's basically it. You should now be able to go onto Cinema HD. And you should be able to find whatever movies or TV series you want to find. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.